Hey everyone, we're back again with another authentic Thai recipe, direct from our restaurant kitchen in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Today we're making one of the most beloved home-style dishes in Thai cooking. It's Mu Sam Chan Pat Kapi. It's made with slightly crisp pork belly, stir-fried with shrimp paste, garlic, shallots, and lemongrass. It isn't a fancy restaurant dish. It's the kind of food that Thai families actually cook at home, night after night. Kapi, or fermented shrimp paste, is one of the true backbones of authentic Thai flavor. While you continue watching this final frying technique, let's go over the ingredients. We're using about 200 grams of pork belly, cut into chunky pieces, 2 Thai hot chilies, chopped, 1 tablespoon of garlic, chopped, 1 tablespoon of shallot, chopped, 2 teaspoons of shrimp paste, diluted with 1/8 cup of water, 2 teaspoons of sugar, or more as desired, 1/2 teaspoon of Thai light soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of Thai fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of shallot, roughly sliced, 2 tablespoons of lemongrass, thinly sliced, 4 Thai red chilies, cut lengthwise, and 10 kaffir lime leaves, torn in pieces. 1/2 teaspoon of roti and 1/2 teaspoon of MSG are often added to enhance flavor, but you can leave it out and it will still taste great. Okay, we have our ingredients ready, so let's get started. Heat about 1/2 cup of water and add the raw pork belly pieces. Boil until the water evaporates and the pork begins to brown. The goal is crispy, golden brown edges on the pork while the fattier layers turn soft and slightly translucent. It's a textural contrast that's central to this dish. Remove the meat and start with a clean pan. Add about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Keep the heat medium to low and add chopped chili, garlic, and shallot. Fry lightly until softened and lightly browned. Add the softened and diluted shrimp paste. The amount used will depend on your tastes. The more you use, the stronger the pungent flavor. Stir into the mixture and let it cook. Add sugar, roti mu, and MSG if you are using them. Add Thai light soy sauce, fish sauce, and oyster sauce. Stir it in well. Add water as needed to keep the sauce thin. We will reduce the sauce by cooking it with the meat. Add the pork belly, remaining shallots, and the lemongrass into the sauce and stir in. Add kaffir lime leaves and sliced chilies. Cook and stir until thick and sticky. Turn off the heat. Serve with other Thai foods and steamed jasmine rice on the side. Don't forget that you can now book private cooking lessons with our chef in Thailand on either Zoom, FaceTime, or in person at our location in Chiang Mai. Visit chiangmaicookingschool.com for more info. If you love Thai food but still have trouble saying the names of your favorite dishes, why not give ActiveThai.com a try? At Active Thai, you can learn to read, write, and speak Thai. Try it out today for free. Our contact information, websites, social medias, and complete recipe library are available online. Just follow the links in the video description below. Thank you and enjoy!